that Afghanistan are so beautiful. So Afghanistan are safe. Everyone can come visit to Afghanistan and enjoy their time. I can promise every single part around the world that they will love it.
Gurbaz bhai, if you want to say a good thing of Afghanistan, जो लोगों को पता ही नहीं है या जो आप कहना चाहते हैं यस, बिकॉज बहुत सारी प्रेडिक्शंस लोगों की हो जाती है, बहुत सारे लोग अजम्पशंस हो जाती है लोगों की किसी चीज को लेकर. सो एनी गुड थिंग अबाउट अफगानिस्तान, योर कंट्री, व्हिच यू वांट टू शेयर ऑन कैमरा?
I want to share one thing. People might have some bad knowing from Afghanistan. They think that it's scary there, that something like that. But I can only say in front of the camera that Afghanistan are so beautiful.
That's true.
And safe. Everyone can come visit to Afghanistan and enjoy their time. I can promise every single part around the world that they will love it.
Yes.
So I just want to say these things because yes, people might think that why you're not living there, but it's not the reason that why I'm not living there. The only reason that I'm living in Dubai because of my busy schedule.
Practice.
Yeah. And I have to have a good facility. Yes. For those people who want to visit Afghanistan, they can visit anytime. So Afghanistan are safe, beautiful natural places out there, and the food are so special.
Yes.
So people are so, nice.
That's true.
So that's what I can say in front of the camera.
And this is also my experience. I have been with many Afghanistan people and I have faced those people in my life. But the experience which I had with Afghani people, it's amazing. They are really good people, very humble, very loving. और गुरबाज भाई ने बोला कि अफगानिस्तान सेफ है, जाइए, घूमिए, देखिए, बहुत सुंदर है और अपना जो आपको जितना प्यार वहाँ से मिलेगा शायद वो आप जिंदगी भर नहीं भूल